It's a little rough this morning. So we can't go out for trout, but we're coming over here to the point to try for walleye and jack.
Nice waves.
There's waves, yep.
Oh yeah. Uh-oh.
Woo! I think we're the only boat out here. All the others are hiding over there at the bay. But my dad is a brave man. Jesse's got a life jacket on, so. It's all good.